Let me call upon the last contestant, that is contestant number 10, Jikanmi Hawa. Jikanmi, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies is reading, gardening, and playing.
Reading, gardening and playing. Okay, since you are telling me that your hobbies is reading, one of your hobbies is reading. Okay, what is your favorite book?
English.
No.
English is my favorite books because I learn many things. Before I know for the English alphabet.
That's all? Okay, thank you, Jikanmi Pawa. So, ladies and gentlemen,
Thank you.
Here they are, your 10 contestants competing for a title, Jwai Prince. For